Good afternoon, everybody. This is Norman with Williamson Foundation. I'm at a house up in Flower Mound today. I just wanted to show you some interesting things about this house that are definite signs of movement and also an issue involving erosion. The corner where the garage door is, that crack was just around to the left down the wall there. You can see here that there's separation between the brick and the trim. Again, indicating a downward and leftward movement of that part of the wall. In addition to the cracks that we saw outside, we've got that crack in the wall and also a fairly good crack that runs across the garage floor side to side. And last but not least, this large crack on the other side of the garage. As you're facing the garage, this will be on the right side, right by the front door. As I suspected, after taking measurements, the front part of this garage is about 2.5 to 3 inches lower than it should be. So putting together a proposal to place about 8 piers around the front part of this garage and pick it back up and get it to where the home's back where it's supposed to be. Hope this has been helpful to you, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.